here in Wellington, New Zealand at Zealandia for Big Bird's Big Bird Facts. Come on! I'm a big bird, but here in New Zealand, there used to be a bird called the moa. The moa looked like an ostrich, was about 12 feet tall, and couldn't fly. Kind of like me. Here in New Zealand, there's a bird called the kiwi. The kiwi is about the size of a chicken, looks a little like the kiwi fruit, and can't fly, just like me. In New Zealand, there's a bird called the Piwaka Waka. It has a tail shaped like a fan, likes to eat insects, and can fly. Not like me. Well, that's it for Big Bird's Big Bird Facts. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.